everyone, Krista Mashore with Krista Mashore Coaching, and today it's Questions with Krista. These are real life questions from people just like you. So if you want to have some answers to your questions, be sure to comment below as we look at them, and we'll be doing them for you on this Q&A. So today we've got one from Mandy Rose, and Mandy Rose says, "Hey Krista, I just launched my first funnel through ClickFunnels. Great job. We actually have an affiliate link with ClickFunnels, so be sure if you're interested in ClickFunnels, you'll get our affiliate link, which gives you 2 free weeks of using ClickFunnels. Do you have any tips on how to have a successful sales funnel? Thank you so much," from Mandy Rose. Okay, Mandy, so the thing about a funnel, and by the way, I just got another one. It's actually we've gotten our 4th 2 Comma Club Award. We got this one about 6 months ago. We actually have it in our hands right now, which is the coolest thing ever. But anyways, how you can be successful with your sales funnel, Mandy, is you have to think about the strategy, okay? So I always refer to the dating analogy, where that when you meet somebody for the first time, you don't just go directly into bed with them, right? You usually text them, and maybe you'll email, and you'll do Snapchat, and then maybe you'll go to breakfast, and then you'll meet for lunch, and then you'll hold hands, and then you'll kiss, and then you'll get married, and then you'll go to bed. Somewhere in that order, maybe not exactly. But my point is that you're warmed up. And when you in order to have a successful sales funnel, you need to make sure that you think about the strategy. You need to warm yourself up to your audience. What's just as important about the sales funnel are the marketing ads that go behind it. If you have a really great funnel but really poor ads, and you're not driving any traffic to the funnel doesn't make a difference. You need to have a good funnel that converts, as well as good ads that bring people to your funnel. Well, how do you actually collect and get good ads, good leads to actually show up to your sales funnel? Well, here's how you do it. You start to develop yourself as the authority figure. You develop a relationship with that lead, that person, so that they're more likely to give you your information later on. So what does this look like? What do I mean by this? So you're going to want to start creating content, kind of like I'm doing right now. And as I'm creating this content right now, what's happening, Mandy? Well, I'm developing a relationship with you. You're seeing me as the expert authority. I'm breaking down your barriers. I'm getting you to know me, to like me and trust me. I'm getting you to see me as the authority figure in digital marketing, right? And in creating sales funnels. I'm answering your questions, breaking down your barriers. So now, when I do all this, you're more likely to want to convert. That's why you're actually here right now, because I did all of those things. Now, had I just asked you to show up to my podcast, or to show up to a webinar, or to give me your contact information and download something of mine, you're much less likely to, because I haven't taken the initial steps, which is developing a relationship with you, having you see me, getting to know me, and bringing you down the funnel. Now, there's something you need to understand about marketing. Marketing is attraction. Okay, so when you think about marketing being attraction, that means marketing isn't your business cards and your colors and your flyers and your logos. It's none of those kind of things. Marketing is when somebody raises their hand and says, "I want to work with you because you gave me amazing information. Your marketing, your content, your message spoke directly to me where I was at in my sales cycle, and it makes me want to convert." Okay, so how do we do that? Number 1, we get them to know us. Number 2, we break down their barriers. We get them to see us as the authority figure. And then, very important, we make sure we give them the exact content that they're interested in. For example, if you're in real estate, you're going to give buyers information, sellers information, credit repair information. You're going to bring them down their funnel, and based upon what targeting that you set in and where they're at in the phase of the funnel, right? So in other words, if they've watched a video on 3 tips on buying your first house, and then you target those people and they watch another video on 7 deadly sins buyers make, costing thousands of dollars to their bottom line, or making them overpay, and they watch that one. Now they're much more likely to want to continue to go down your funnel, download, give you their information, give you their name, phone number, and email, because you're speaking their language. They're interested. They're raising their hand and they're saying, "I want what you have." Now, this is a really bad example, and I probably shouldn't use it because lately I've been bringing more of this into the universe, but I'm 49 years old and I'm starting to go through menopause. Don't tell anybody. Anyways, so what that means is that I get hot flashes and they totally suck, okay? So I get hot flashes. So when I see something online that talks about hot flashes, I'm interested in it. I want to learn more about it. I want to hear more about it, right? Because I'm having hot flashes. But if I see something online that's talking about how to, hair club for men, that's not me. It's not speaking my language. Their marketing message is not speaking my language, so I'm not going to convert. I'm less likely to give them their contact information. So good sales funnels have a couple of things. You've developed yourself as the authority figure, so people are more likely to want to download, give you their information. You've positioned yourself as the expert authority before ever asking them to. You've developed trust. You've broken down barriers. You've served, given a lot of informational value. Then you bring them down your funnel. You're targeting the right person, and you're giving that person that you're targeting the right information. When you do all of those things, actually getting a funnel to convert, it's easy. Okay, so I hope that helped you, Mandy. And let's go ahead and get to the next question.
Hey there, I have a brand new podcast called Fired Up with Krista Mashore, where I bring my high energy right to your ears. This podcast is available on all your favorite podcast platforms. So do me a favor, go subscribe and leave a review. All this information is free, and I cannot wait to teach you everything I know. Thanks so much for watching my video. You can learn more about how to be a successful real estate professional by watching other videos that I have. And be sure to subscribe to my channel. And as always, make it a great home selling and buying day.